Okay, so today is my grandbaby's 1-year-old birthday, and we are doing a Sesame Street theme. I DUI'd everything you've seen. So our centerpiece, I had the I had one of the cans from the Dollar Tree. I spray painted it red. Added tissue paper from the Dollar Tree. The curly cues for the gift, and these are just printables that I got offline. And I cut out a number 1 from foam board and painted it red. I used skewers and stuck it in the can. To create a layered effect, I just purchased the Dollar Tree gift paper. I had a red tablecloth and I covered it with the Dollar Tree gift wrap. Then we went and got the paper plates. Now these paper plates, I will say, did not come from the Dollar Tree. These paper plates and napkins, utensils came from Party City, and her other grandmother purchased them along with the cups. So we just incorporated those, put down a base red plate, and then a character plate on top. Purchased her the Elmo hat, came from her other grandmother. Next, I printed the street signs and wrote her name. It says, "Welcome to Symphony Street." And we placed those on a backdrop with the number 1 that I cut out from, again, foam board. I purchased these pom-poms from the Dollar Tree and then made characters on those along with the plates, and I just put the faces on them to create the character faces. Okay. Okay. Then we decorated the doorway with cutouts of the different characters, and I just used the curly cues to decorate the door frame. My final DIY is I made this street post sign. I used the foam board. I used the rest of the black foam board that I had to make a number 1, and then the street signs that says "Happy Birthday Symphony, she's 1." And I actually used the roll that came from the wrapping paper, and I spray painted that as well and made the street sign. And then the final thing is the cake. I did not make the cake, it was ordered, but let me show it to you anyway. And this is baby girl's cake. This is what the theme, this is how we got the whole theme, just from the cake. And her picture's on it. So, time to celebrate.